You obviously me want send me no be say I make come once but before that no we flyer ya that me change change ya the flyer of first May Asante your mind work first May Asante your mind work no nya bidu first May flyer na that me change na post TV e wo ho opa me number na go screen no person join WhatsApp group na Asante your mind work WhatsApp group na link ni so me the better description ho said the be obetimi join WhatsApp group ni nti dey check me the description this is here I won't link bi da boss o boss why be be group na mo no atwe sa pepepe eneti nti Asante your mind ye be say o say be a wo bia pull up we are Asante man first of its kind yes be a wo bia pull up never support Asante your mind work no said the be ya eja bia betimi akoso wano nti ye be say flyer ni you betimi screenshot na bi say masa posting as a post me page into betimi a check betimi a follow me nice Ghana ni nyina ubenya information bibia ho nemo comment description was say link ne da ho ne fa sapepepe enete na me to ansem ne so abusua omo de nyoma bi especially people from Kumasi sa nyoma na che me can say wo hwe ba anyum tuma oni be ya use currently dey Kumasi na area ni nka ye kan artist of the year ni ade na wo hwe obie no no mo ne Kempaluta edin se nka but ne nyom makoma no amanfo pese omo fo so aye propaganda na omo bogu edin nsem bi enim hwe man bi friend Mark Okreku sa man ne obi a kill a whole lot of careers Ghana na sa de na mudi ye Kumasi for the munya enye fine obie no obetimi aka che me se Kempaluta we artist of the year obi ne be pre ho ade ntina mo ya Santimansa enye fine obi fi Kumasi na mu se we die koye die mpe me ya se penifo bi te se amari dai wo nyum te se o chame kwa me no mu ade nyina yetin a ye kasa asemu e besre munya isa ade no na enye e besre mu pa Kempaluta abe chirechire nyum ma makoma no abe chirechire mu ade o mu pese o mu gina so de ka no baba be chirechire mu but before that no yenko hwe Mark Okreku asem a o ka de gu nyum ne wo fi yenko tie ma
fact finding. Do you know that Tanyum Nani Ebo was Sisifiani be a profane? A profane. This party have people like Miwoho, George Quay. Yeah, music. What if I say music, Mini? Nobody will consult you on music. Near a profane song. And Obiti said Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Shana brand. Then we as a party will ask Dr. Baumia to dance to. Yes, it's a profane. Oh, but my man over to a line. Na. Which is a den or come on. Den or come. Share. That's the weather. I'm telling you, that is the weather.
I feel enyum we na okokan ya said you siko kan asem no we o say profane me wan anye no kre enyum no nye profane song adentina mo be ya ade asay ade a ade fefa nipa na ye we na ma enyum we ya no tina artist of the year na enyum we no say enyum we eye big song we Ghana cha enyum bia no kre ba akopɛ no kre one nti okasa na Kempaluta so ankasa o tiri wa yi oyibo de no kre no so de nchirimu ba nti Kempaluta
I say makoma no ye profane just because I said Shepa ma baby. Let me break it down for you. Or say o mama koma nyeme ya hwe pa ma baby amenya say okoto wa ade bi anaso wa pa ade bi ache na se unya na instant na na say sa ho no bi yes fama na asema be ka chen say hwe pa ma baby amenya so this is mama koma nyeme ya hwe pa ma baby amenya ka wa say Trepama like tree ben a trepama pavia like fuck adwumse tree ben a trepama. It doesn't even make sense. So I don't know if this is from Nanaba and one as a senior man but Charlie yeah be hustle yeah munja ni hustle why now munja is a more person yes I go back to the streets because yes I am
Afei ohu kempaluta nkyere mu no etaso mu fi kasa na woka onti ase ade nti na makokreku be sa busa nkyere mu wo kasa nwum ye profane a enye fine entaso mu o se hwe pa mapebia menya saa de we ya asante kasa ye tin be bia sometimes o pa de bi kura na wunya ade a wo hia o pa wunya na obi srewa tin kura kasa hwe ade a mabre hu pa se afei menye bi mi fama so it is a key language another key statement you make here yes srew wunya propaganda mu ye enye fine yo abusu asofo bi akaza wa kyerem se asante de ntia ye de asante ti asem ni o ye ne kin no de ntia ye ne kin no wa kyerem wa kyerem na wa explaining the the asante hene and I said the paramount chief and asante hene or constitution wa explaining na say and what kind of ba
learn all those things from here. Adentina Asante my went to me and paramount chief because Asante na your mind. Oh, more flag won't be here. It won't say constitution, the paramount chiefs and the Asante king. And that's Asante Hene. That is king. Bruninim. It politicians no say adie. Among mine no say, Africa say, because say Oma groupie, they have come in groups. Learn all those things from here. Adentina Asante my went to me and paramount chief. Because Asante your mind. Oh, more flag won't be here. It won't say constitution, the paramount chiefs and the Asante king. And that's Asante Hene. That is king. Bruninim. It politicians no say adie. Among mine no say, Africa say, because say Oma groupie, they have come in groups.
so afei now you see afei what so this is the difference between asante hene and paramount chiefs sapepe energy politicians mo mfama no to sa asem we bi ka twa na abusia me toaso a wonim se de enyom ba so nananom esi handle situation no it say it's one of a kind abrantie bi eyi ni tita edum hye na hye no kasa ase opese o kasa ema etra so na oh eye otumfo kyame enya abotre ekyekire mu kire no kantankrachi otumfo kyame kantankrachi o kyekire mu kire no ma kyese wo se de o si kire mu na kyese kyese f abusuya ye hwe sa video no
Adoy, nobody ever see a and I said, I'm going to say, you know, I'm going to want to. That's why I'm going to put out more bread. He said, you're going to say, you're going to say, you're going to say, you're going to say,
okay so that means say where you are on sufre what on sufre ama afidie ono ankasa ehwe say ja obe handle situation no say de be ya enkofa problem bia enfama na boys na enkote na fi nti say de be otumfo kyame kantankrachi ekire mu no na muntaka ko say nkokwa ko kyem wo so omo mpem mo sese omo se omo mpem Obusia. Yenko na yenko hema. Yes, boys ni chiri mu a emu de omo mpe. Ni mu mo mpe se omo aba ye adwuma no ne hia omo kese. Enye aduane. Esan se boys no aduane dia ko benya bia de emu se de be obesa back to business, back to work. Ene hia omo. Sabe pepe ene tie. Nti abusua enensem no sa ene kusiye. Mesra obedi ma no si. We say on the 1st May. 1st May. Asante your mind work. Mesra pull up baby a wo bia bra support wo tifi. Epuye anafo baby a wo bia come and support this beautiful journey ayeshase no. Yes, bra na be support. Me say ko description ho. Ube say link in with WhatsApp link in with the atwo no. Join the link no said ye be ya bia e be fine. And then they can message feel free. Share what or comment section no. Ebiem so no. Me subscribe button na fi so share na obi enye me da so hwe me. Makao.